Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn about how to find API key and the API secret key in the Shopify stores. If you have created the development store and you don't know how to find the API key and the API secret key, I'm here to give you a brief view how to find that API key and the API secret key. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we are in the Shopify partners. So let's go to the settings. So here we have the apps and the channel. Okay, develop apps. Okay, so currently I have created one of the application for the admin access. So click on that one. Okay, so here you can see that we have API credentials, right? So here you want the API key and the secret, you can copy and paste it over here, or if you want the SS token, you can get it over here. Okay, so both the things are in the same place. So this is how you are able to create the API key and the secret key in the Shopify development store. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.